So hello guys, and welcome back to another video on this channel. And in this video we're going to be taking a look at what's happening with the ETF of Bitcoin, what the inflows and outflows are, and one recent important news that just came out about the ETF stocks, and we'll be looking at what's going on with that right now. And we'll be taking a brief overview of Bitcoin's current price and what it's currently trading at. So stay tuned for that, and without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do start, do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are on this article that we are going to be talking about in this video. Before we do that, let's just head over to coinmarket.com to take a look at what the overview of what the current market is looking like. So our global market cap is around $1.96 trillion right now at the time of recording this video, up around 0.93% from yesterday. And if we take a look at the cryptocurrency prices, Bitcoin right now is trading at around $51,944, down about 0.03% in the past hour, down about 0.12% in the past 24 hours, and up around 14.26% in the past 7 days. So let's just take a brief overview of what Bitcoin is looking like. And if we take a look at the left panel real quick, we can see our market cap is still holding strong above the $1 trillion range, for quite a bit of time, and we are still holding strong on that range above $1 trillion, and we hope to keep that going. And as we talk about that, let's talk about the volume of the past 24 hours, which is currently around $36 billion right now, which is still a huge number. We are down about almost 14% from yesterday's volume, but we are still moving huge. So that's what we are seeing in the volume. Even though we are down, we are still up around huge numbers. So that's what we are seeing in the volume of Bitcoin. And if we take a look at the price, just 24 hours ago we were at around 52.08k, and that's what our graph was looking like. We had regular volatility up and down throughout the day, so we were having some green hours, some red hours, and that just continued throughout the day. Our daily high was around 52.8k around 9:35 in the morning, and our daily low was around 51.3k in around 5 p.m. and we had around $1,500 of difference. So that's what we are seeing in just today. So between the lowest and highest, that is around $1,500 difference. So let's take a look at the article we were here for. So we can see NY bankruptcy judge permits Genesis to liquidate $1.3 billion worth of GBTC stock to compensate investors. So Genesis is compensated to around $1.3 billion. So that's what we can see this sell-off coming in the very near future. So let's just read this real quick. A New York bankruptcy judge has granted Genesis Global Holdco permissions to liquidate roughly $1.3 billion worth of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to compensate investors. This decision, made during a virtual hearing on Feb 14th, marks a significant development in the ongoing saga surrounding Genesis bankruptcy proceedings. Genesis, facing financial difficulties, filed for bankruptcy protection in November 2022 amid a brutal bear market. As part of reconstructing its effort, the company sought to sell a portion of its holdings, including aforementioned GBTC shares. Judge Sean Lane's approval allows its process to move forward. Court filings indicate that Genesis previously held around $1.6 billion worth of shares in GBTC Grayscale Ethereum Trust and also Grayscale Ethereum Classic Trust. So Notably, Grayscale in itself has raised limitation objections on the GBTC sales, emphasizing written approvals requirement but confirming no intention to obstruct the process. So that was what's basically going on. Genesis is gonna sell off around $1.3 billion worth of stock in the very near future, but we are still having positive inflows in the ETF. As you know, millions and millions of dollars, even in the billions dollars, coming into the Bitcoin trust. Let's just take a look at Grayscale's holdings currently. So if we just look at what BlackRock is, one of the biggest ETF managers right now of Bitcoin, BlackRock now currently holds around $5.6 billion worth of Bitcoin in its current asset of the iShares Bitcoin Trust. This is from the official BlackRock website. It holds around 109,000 Bitcoin in its asset, weighing about $5.6 billion. So still huge numbers for BlackRock to see in its portfolio. We are seeing huge inflows coming into the Bitcoin market. And so even we are seeing huge growth in the ETF. So that's what's basically happening in Bitcoin right now. So that was about it. A lot of things happening. There's sell-offs. There's inflows happening in millions of billions of dollars. So that's gonna keep going, causing the price to have keep in the headlines and to keep the price popular and to keep it increasing. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, in this video we did talk about NY bankruptcy judge, how the Genesis company has filed for bankruptcy and it is now permitted to liquidate around $1.3 billion worth of GBTC, and that will soon be happening. And we did talk about the daily Bitcoin update that we do. And we did talk about how BlackRock is now holding over $5.6 billion in worth in Bitcoin. So that was about it. So if you did enjoy, and if you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams on this channel. I do talking about any recent crypto news update, any recent price changes daily on live, so do make sure to tune in daily. And I also do long form videos like this one on this channel, so talking about any recent patterns or any recent news that has come recently in the crypto market. So do make sure to tune in on that also. So that was about it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.